Hi, I'm Jason. It's December 9th and it's like easily in the 70s, feels even warmer. And we got this just beautiful day here. So lucky to be in Palos Verdes, blessed and grateful, and happy to tell you more about why this area is so unique and special. We're gonna check out this listing here, 2560 via Sanchez. So just came on the market. It's Tuesday and that's the broker open day in Palos Verdes, and I go around and shoot video of the homes that come on the market. And I also try to throw in tidbits about the history, the culture, the lifestyle, and why Palos Verdes is such a great place to live. That's pretty cool. They got a pressure meter on their water spigot so they know how much is going in. Nice. All right, hi, here's one of our listing agents, Janet. Thanks for having us. Wow, this is spectacular. Wow.
Sunsets are amazing.
And you're gonna get them all year long because the sunsets range from that little island right there, which is called Santa Barbara Island. And so it'll be setting there on December 22nd. Wow, Channel Islands are showing up today. And then right over there, I can see Malibu. And that's where it'll set on June 22nd or thereabouts. Summer solstice comes across to the winter solstice. Beautiful, wow. Great view. And then you get some Catalina over here too. All right, so nice tile roof, beautiful eaves. This is great. Wow, I like how this all opens right up to the view too. You could be sitting here and just look at that. Man, I'd put the TV there so you could sit here and look at this. Wow, it's amazing. So you have our dining room section here, and it's all in the vault. Just so nice. And then pretty big kitchen here. We got another pass-through door here, and then your kitchen. Yeah, oh, lighted up. Huh. It goes downstairs to the garage. A large laundry area. Interesting tile. Wow, this is a cool room. This is your back room. The wet bar, storage. Upstairs bath, full tub, double sink. Oh wow, there's a pool up here. It's pretty interesting because there was a downstairs level and then you go up and there's a pool. How about that? Still have the cottage cheese. Windows look like they could use an upgrade. Wow. If you could put a bigger window here, that would be pretty incredible. Really good view. So this is primary, and this could be another bedroom. There is a closet. You could just easily continue that wall and wall it off. Gosh, I don't think you'll really get a bigger window because the way the roof is here, but it's nice the way it is. I mean, it's really just a huge view. It's really incredible. That's nice. What a view. Closet on either side, big bath, both a tub and a shower. Walk in. A lot of room here. That walk-in goes through all of this. This is that closet. Interesting. Some definite work needed, but a lot of potential. A ton of potential. Kind of a nice little area here. Fountain. And your pool. so warm today. It's really incredible. This is a good looking pool. Hi. Pretty neat. A big deck. Oh, this is pretty neat. I mean, put your personal touch on it and enjoy so many really cool parts of this property. Wow, something else. I'd love to talk to you about this stuff because I live here. Just, it's so special to me. What a great spot. So if you're interested in looking or talking about homes, give me a call. Make it a great day.